Welcome. In today's guide, we're going to walk through how to set an app as your default for opening supported links. If you've ever tapped a link and had it open in the wrong app, or had to select your preferred app every single time, this quick setup will save you a lot of frustration. By the end, your chosen app will automatically handle the links it supports without any extra steps. The process is straightforward and only takes a minute. Let's get started. First, go to your phone's settings. This is where all the customization happens, and finding the right options starts here. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section shows you all of the applications installed on your device, and it's where you can manage their behavior. Next, find and tap on the app you want to set as the default. For example, if you want to make sure that all links open directly in a specific browser or another application, this is where you select it. After tapping on the app, you'll see several options related to permissions, storage, and other features. Now, look for the option that says Set as Default and tap on it. This is the key setting that determines whether your selected app takes charge of opening certain types of links on your device. Once you're inside the Set as Default menu, you'll find a toggle called Open Supported Links. Switch this on. What this does is tell your phone to automatically send all supported links straight into the app you've chosen, without asking you every time. That's it. You've successfully updated your settings. From now on, whenever you tap on a link that your chosen app supports, it will open instantly in that app, making everything faster and more seamless. Taking a few moments to adjust these settings can make your experience with your phone much smoother. No more interruptions, no more unnecessary taps, just quick and direct access through the app you prefer. And that's how easy it is to set your app as the default for supported links.